Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will draw for you very simple, small and cute pixel art picture. I will show you how to draw simple umbrella kitty. I take black marker, pink and yellow felt pens. Firstly I take black marker and from the left top corner of the picture I paint 5 boxes down. Now one box, again one box. Now painting 6 boxes down. Here one box to the right, one box diagonally down, and one box again. Now go down to the right diagonally and painting 9 boxes to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Coloring. Now one box, again one box. Now 2 boxes to the right, 4 boxes down, one box, and now 6 boxes down. Now from this box go diagonally to the right, and from this box we should color all boxes up to this box. From this box go to the right to one box and down, and coloring 2 boxes down. From this box skip one box to the right and painting 1 box here. From this box skip 1 box to the right and painting 1 box here. And again from this box skip 1 box to the right and painting 2 boxes. And from this box painting 2 boxes up. From this box go up 1 box and turning to the right, painting 2 boxes to the right and painting 2 boxes here. From this box go 1 box up and turning to the left and painting 2 boxes here to the left and 2 boxes here. From this box we should skip 2 boxes to the right, 1, 2, 3, and painting 4 boxes here. And from this box go to the left and painting 2 boxes here. From this box skip 2 boxes to the left, 1, 2, 3, and painting 4 boxes here. And 2 boxes here. From this box I skip 5 boxes to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and painting 1 box. Here 1 box, and here 1 box. From this box skip 3 boxes down, 1, 2, 3, 4, and painting 6 boxes down. Two boxes to the left here painting, and 3 boxes up here. Now I take pink felt pen and painting 1 box pink here, 2 boxes here, and 2 boxes here. From this box I draw a line up 6 boxes, 1 box to the right, 2 boxes up, 1 box to the right, 1 box up. Here 3 boxes up, here 1 box up, 1 box right, 2 boxes up, and painting all this part. And the same here, 2 boxes down, 1 box right, 1 box down, 3 boxes down, here 6 boxes up, 1 box left, 2 boxes up, 1 box left, 1 box up, and painting this part. And now I take yellow felt pen and painting this part and this part. That's all. As you see, it's very simple pixel art picture. You can draw this umbrella and paint in other colors. Please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, bye bye!